Okay, so this is what I have. Pear soda. This one here is, I think it's Canada only. It is the poutine with the gravy and the cheese curds. And then I also got the meatball, mashed potatoes. That is all I have today. First time ever. Let's try this one. It tastes like alcohol, a little bit. I'm going to try that one. You see, this is the cheese, but the gravy is a little bit lighter color than Tim Horton. That is also another famous Canadian brand restaurant. Let me know if you have it in your country, the poutine. But now I really like it. And this one I got is a small. And I also have the meatballs. I have the meatball and the mashed potatoes. This is the jam, but I don't know what this is for. Cranberry jam. And there's some green beans. So they have 8 pieces or 12 pieces, and I got the 8 pieces one. Very chewy. I like it. I actually like the gravy a lot, and the mashed potato. Before I start recording, I struggle to start filming. At here. It's already like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm a little bit struggling to start filming because my anxiety hits, like knowing that I'm about to film something for the first time. It's even worse than when I was traveling. This is big. This is my first time buying the food at the restaurant, but it's not my first time eating it. I think the last time I ate it was many years ago. I actually forgot everything about it. I like it so much. I just don't know what the jam is for. I'm going to try this one. Okay. There's a cauliflower, I think. I think it's broccoli. It's a vegetable cake. It's very tasty. I like it. I got 1, 2, the cake, mashed potato, the jam, meatball, 8 pieces, some green beans, and this one, and a drink. I like this one a lot. It's pear soda. I'll show you the environment, what's in front of me. So that is where I'm looking at right now. So downstairs they have the food market, where I have seen that before. They sell the meatball in a package in the freezer. Yeah, I actually really like the meatball, so I might consider buying it in the freezer section. And also I think I have seen this one before, the vegetable cake. So I might want to check it out a little bit. I really enjoy it. This is probably a little bit too much for me, but I'll try to finish it. It's just that for the first time I want to order different things so I can try it for you guys. Don't forget, I got this one. And let's give this a try. This actually tastes really good. Oh yeah, more. I want more. I love this so far. Next time, I will come back. The kitchen is right behind me. So I will definitely come back. And next time, I want to try the hot dog, the fried fish, and maybe the cheesecake. And I want to try the coffee too. I'm not a very big coffee drinker, but actually, I only drink a specific kind of coffee. And I don't crave coffee. Some people, they need a coffee every single day. No, not for me. I'm very easygoing when it comes to restaurant food. Usually, it's either 10 out of 10 or 0 out of 10. very quickly, I'm already finished half of it. I love chocolate. If you let me choose between chocolate, vanilla, maybe strawberry, I always go for chocolate. My best favorite is the coconut matcha flavor, like green tea flavor. I also love the hazelnut maybe, or black sesame. I like dessert. I like eating. Like that's why a lot of people they like going out to restaurant with me because I'm not like I don't eat this, I don't eat that, or I need to diet, or something allergy. I don't have any of those. Like I usually, if I love something, I will eat. Yeah, so people have fun going out to restaurant with me. I really like that. And this cake is $5 Canadian. I think it's definitely it's not expensive at all, and I love it. It tastes very nice. It's actually my favorite. This one here. The thing I really like is it is not too soft and not too hard. I prefer a softer couch. Like you see these side tables? I actually like a side table like that, but the only problem is the material. I much rather have like a wooden top, so when I put something, it's just less noise. These chairs are very popular. Even my parents, they have one of these. But I don't know, like I'm always so scared that this one will break. Because if I'm too heavy and I sit here, then this one might break. This part or this part might break. But it's actually very comfy. Oh, they already have the Christmas. I actually really like the shelf like this with the spotlight. I actually very like this style, and then I can do some display here, maybe some achievements or some toys with the spotlight. I like this style. You see the ceiling light paper? I feel it's so cozy with the design like that. Wow. I think that is the traditional American Christmas dinner setup. So beautiful. See all these? These are for maybe a dessert or yogurt. I need to work hard for my future home. The lights are so pretty. They have a very huge countertop. You see this one here? I like this. The kitchen sink with this one I can take it and spray. I like this one. One thing is going to be a must for me for my own kitchen is I like the fire. I like the real fire. I don't like the induction. I think it's called the induction. I like the real fire. And especially like Chinese cooking, real fire makes the food tastier. I will definitely, if I have the money to do everything, I can choose, I have options, I will get the real fire. You know what this is? This is for the puppy or for the cat to rest and a fireplace. But this one doesn't look so good. I don't know. Does any of you have a fireplace like this, an electric one? I think we are going to set up Christmas tree this year. Stay tuned for that. I actually very like the TV setup. This one. With the shelf on the top and the TV in the middle and there's a shelf underneath. I think this one looks very nice, but maybe a little bit less stuff on the counter up there, the shelf. And up there, I would prefer to have the glass shelf like I showed you before, with the glass shelf and with the spotlight I can display something on the top. So that would be much nicer. But I love the design of top shelf, bottom shelf, and the TV in the middle. I kind of like it. And one thing I really like too is there's a carpet. So the carpet in front between the TV and the here. I can sit down there on the floor as well, and I can do whatever I want and then use this one to rest my back, which is what I really like too. What do you think? Up there display, in the middle TV, and the bottom or lower shelf. Yeah, this setup I really like. So here one thing is I also really like is they have all the picture showcase on the wall. I think nowadays everything go digital and they really put the picture frames anymore unless maybe only one or two for the family, but not like these kind of artistic images. But this kind of style I actually very like. And that's New York. That is Paris. I think it doesn't happen in a lot of people now. They just keep it on their phone. And so this one is basically the same idea with the top shelf, the TV, and the middle shelf. But the lower shelf is actually sitting on the floor. And then I don't know about the spotlight right on top of the TV. Then that might be a lot of reflections. Then I think. Now this one here, I not only like the yellow lights, these kind of like to make the lights so much softer. So much softer. And also, this is kind of like a U-shaped kitchen. So one person may be making cooking, and then your partner can sit right here and be with you, right? And maybe a laptop or just looking at you or just be with you in the kitchen so you don't feel lonely, right? And then if it's like a only 2 people family, then you can actually eat your dinner here, have a glass of wine. I like for example like a little island, or just some people have a little mini bar right here so people can sit on that side while you're cooking on this side and we can talk. This right here is kind of like a dressing room, and I love those light bars on the top. These make the room so pretty. Now this is the induction. I have seen it in my sister's house. Then eventually, when you use like a few years, then this kind of print will come off, and it will look very ugly. Like all these kind of it will fade away. All these words. Maybe you can tell me if it happened to you too. Oh, this is a little cozy area. I always love cozy corner where I can sit down, have a drink, maybe read a newspaper or magazines or even a laptop if you want. You know, you might not believe me, but one time I almost bought this acorn. I almost got this one and then add another member to my plushie collection. $14.99. That is not expensive. I really like it. Well, they even have the wine glasses rack up there. Oh, this one looks fancy. I'm okay with the white color, but maybe the wooden color is better for me. Oh my god, there's light effect. Wow. How about this one? Yeah, there are lights too. Is it awesome? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the bar. I like the little bar. But maybe I prefer that one. Maybe before that one. But this one is cool too. Yeah. It's like a sushi bar, is it? But the only problem is I don't know if the wood always get wet. Is there any problem with it? There's a big kitchen. And then right beside there's a workroom here. Actually, when you see this tabletop, like they're all uniform. I think it is pretty rare. It looks pretty nice though. They're all uniform. Yeah, this one is always the best. Let's look at these two and then we're ending the video. What do you think about that one back there? Is it your style? Or this one? This one is also like nice too. I think it's because there's nothing. And there's the light strips which I like. And there's an L shape. Cooking is right here. Washing is right here. And there's a little pantry. And there's more countertop. So that one you can put like toaster or coffee maker, espresso machine, things like that. And then this thing you can do a lot of like hook to hang everything here. And you can have a lot of pots and bowls right here. This one is actually very nice, very sleek. Microwave is on the top. This is a very tiny pantry. For Asian, that would be for the rice. Okay, so today we're just seeing the kitchen department, and if you want more of this video, let me know so we can continue coming to Ikea to check out other things as well, maybe in more detail. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.